Hello, my name is Dr. Russell Kuhn. I'm chiropractor at Evergreen Chiropractic, Ojai in Southern California. Today we're going to be talking about scar tissue. The big fancy word is called tissue of fibrosis or fibrotic repair. Ligaments have a woven quality to them. We have this, my kids' finger trap. They love these things. But this is actually woven just the way a ligament is. And we can see on this side here it's woven nice and easy. And because my kids and I have played with this, it's been torn a bit in the center. So that would be the weakened part. Now, of course, this isn't organic and alive, so it doesn't repair itself, but humans, in our innate intelligence, our body responds by laying down scar tissue around the torn fibers to strengthen it. It wouldn't need to do it here, it would surround this area here where it's weakened. So that scar tissue is laying down in an amorphous clump. It's not woven like this. It's just a blob around this, and it's doing its job, laying down these proteins to try and strengthen the torn ligament. The problem is, though, that because it's not woven, it's more of a bunched up thing. It won't move freely the way the rest of the little finger trap here moves nice and easy. But if you have these scar tissue formations between muscle bellies, it'll prevent the smooth sliding. It'll be more staccatic, and then it'll create inflammation and restrictions of ranges of motion. It'll be difficult to turn when you're driving a car. Those extreme ranges of motion, you'll have to turn your shoulders instead of just turning your head. So we want to keep all of the ranges of motion in our body moving nice and free and easy, because this is the only way that our discs get hydrated and pumping is through moving freely. So scar tissue is the enemy of that. So we want to break up scar tissue as much as possible. The work that I do is to break up the scar tissue and have it slowly start tracking by restoring the full ranges of motion of the joints. Then instead of it being a blob in the middle, it starts lining up better. Those fibers will start lining up appropriately, and then you'll have an increase in your ranges of motion. Next, we're going to show you some of the tools that we use to break up scar tissue. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There's a natural mystic